Hey guys, welcome back. So we're going to be putting our sets together. I'm doing this voiceover and I have my newborn here with me. She has the hiccups, so you may hear that in the background. But last video we put together our nail kits, essential little package that was the cuticle pusher, nail file, and nail stickers, and we closed them up and everything. So now we're putting them in the cases, and then we're going to put our nail sets in the cases, and we're going to begin to close those up so we can get those ready for labeling and putting them up. Now I work in small batches when I'm doing these videos so that you guys won't have to be so far away from me, but normally I will have a spread, and I'll normally be in the area, the new area where I have the nail kits already set up at. I would normally be over there, and I have it spread out with a lot of sets, especially if I'm doing 100 to 200 sets a day. Right here I just decided to do what was left over in the box. I believe in the 2 videos ago you guys saw where I had I didn't have enough sets created chat, and I had some left over in that box. So that's what I'm doing here, so I can kind of show y'all the process that it takes for me to do it. And normally I have on my headset and I'll be doing them. I'm sorry I'm saying so much, but it's late at night right now and I'm doing editing these videos, trying to get them out for you guys. But I just work in little sections, and I'm doing this of course because I'm recording and I want you guys to be able to see. So I put these in these containers, and it's like they can hold like 16 or whatever, and I find it a little bit easier when I'm recording to keep everything manageable so it's not getting out of hand, because when I'm in the other section I'm working on a bunch at one time, and it's normally like one color and then I go to the next color. But guys, this is not an easy task at all, because I have 3 kids. I'm a single mom. I take care of my kids on my own, and a lot of this takes a lot of time. So my kids are in and out, and that's why I have to do some of these voiceovers, because they're being loud in the back, and I can't, I don't want to tell them, okay, you have to be quiet and for me to record. So I just go ahead and let them enjoy their TVs and tablets and phones and things like that. And of course, my newborn baby, she may cry in the back or have her little fits, and then I have to go get her. So it's a little time consuming and a little distracting at times, but I'm trying to keep on pushing these videos out for you guys, because I want you guys to be on the journey with me as I take my brand from small to huge. And it's not just me, it's God on this journey with me, because you guys don't understand how many times I started and stopped. But I'm just grateful that God has held me and kept pushing me to keep going and hanging in there, because this is a journey. This is not easy when you're trying to build a brand from scratch and get it out there, especially when you're not dealing with a whole bunch of capital when you're starting a business. It's like of course I'm a nail tech, so I'm taking money from that and putting it into this. It's a lot, and being able to take care of 3 kids, and this is my only income, so it's like it's a lot. But with the grace of God, I've been able to do it and keep on pushing. And that's why I want to document this, so that anybody can see where I started. And as I grow, my company grows, my brand grows. If God can do it for me, He can do it for anyone. It's like a little chilly in here, so I'm getting a little stopped up. But now we're closing up the containers, because every step takes a while to do. And imagine if this right here is just me doing this, and I think I did about I think this was 30 I think I did 30 sets of putting them in there and putting yeah, it was 32 I believe. And it took me 10 minutes to put the kits in and the sets in and then close them up. Now that's just 30, so imagine me doing 100 of them a day to 200 a day. And this is just not this part. You have to actually put the nail sets together on the backing, seal those up with a self-seal cellophane, and then do the next steps that you've seen in the last videos. So it is very time consuming. So I can sit behind a desk. If I'm recording, it'll probably take me a couple hours and you guys will be tired of seeing it. But when I'm standing up in that area, I move a lot faster, because I don't know, when I'm sitting down, it's like I move slower for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know if that's just me or everyone's like that. But if I'm standing up, I'm on the move. I'm getting it done. So that's why a lot of times I'll be up there, and because it's so small out there, I can't really record because I have everything covered with me trying to hurry up and get a bunch done at one time, especially if I sell out of something or multiple things at one time. Oh my gosh, y'all, I be hustling trying to get everything back in stock. And I'm going to start doing some more packing videos so you guys can see that, because the way God is blessing my business, I am able to do more packing videos. With, instead of just being in 1 or 2 items, I'll be able to do, you know, way more items to be packed in one day. But I'm just getting the hang of how I'm doing everything and trying to pace myself so that I don't get overwhelmed with trying to create content and making sure I get my customers' orders out in time. So you're going to be getting more packing videos and so much more. But I don't think I did this video too long, so it's going to be ending. But I want you guys to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you put in the comment section what else you want to see me record, and I'll try to get that video done for you guys as well, because we're trying to see where this brand goes, y'all. All I can do is try and put God in the head of it, and He'll take it from there. I'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all just continue to see me close these up. See you guys in the next one. Bye.